In this video, we're diving into how to add blogs in LearnWorlds, one of the most popular online course platforms, and we'll walk you through the steps you need to take to make your content stand out. Whether you're looking to boost engagement or improve SEO for your course site, stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage LearnWorlds' blog feature. First things first, to get started with adding blogs in LearnWorlds, you'll need to log into your LearnWorlds dashboard. Once you're inside, go over to the Content section on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find the blog option. Click on that, and you're in the right place to begin. Next thing, once you're in the blog section, you'll see an option to Add New Post. Clicking this will open a simple text editor where you can begin writing your blog content. You can add a title, body text, and even format it with bold, italics, or bullet points, just like any other blog editor out there. Next thing, if you're looking to really add some visual flair to your blog, you can easily insert images, videos, or any other media by clicking the Add Media button. This feature is great if you want to make your posts more engaging, which is something LearnWorlds does well when it comes to content creation. The fourth thing, LearnWorlds also gives you the option to categorize your blogs. This is great if you plan on posting multiple blogs and want to keep your content organized. Simply create a new category or select an existing one from the drop-down menu, so your blog posts stay neat and easy to find for your audience. The fifth thing, don't forget about SEO. LearnWorlds provides a built-in SEO tool to help you optimize your blog posts. You can customize your meta description, add SEO keywords, and even tweak the URL slug for better search engine ranking. It's not as comprehensive as some other platforms, but it's a decent feature for beginners. Next, once your blog post is looking great and optimized, it's time to publish. You can either publish it immediately or schedule it for later. LearnWorlds makes this process easy, and you can always come back to edit or update posts after they've been published. But here's something important to consider. While LearnWorlds has some solid features for blog creation, it's not perfect. The platform can be a bit limiting when it comes to advanced customization and SEO options compared to other competitors in the market. If you're serious about content marketing and want more control over the design and optimization of your blog, you might want to explore other options that offer greater flexibility. Now, before we wrap up, I want to make sure you don't miss out on an exclusive offer. Through our link, you'll get an extended free trial of LearnWorlds, plus some extra benefits just for our viewers. But I'm not stopping there. I'm also going to recommend a few amazing alternatives that are not only better suited for your blogging goals, but also come with free trials that you can try today. So make sure to check the link below for those, and start making your content more powerful and engaging. That's all for today's tutorial on how to add blogs in LearnWorlds. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for those alternatives, and start your journey with the best platforms for growing your online content.